Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I'm going to do a cloud pour today using my Behr paints again, satin enamel, and Artist Loft. And don't forget, I have my, still have my little cover here. See that? Stays beautiful. And that was from Gay from Popular Pouring. She has that little hint. She doesn't sell them, but she has the hints of how to use that. I thought that was a great. She has a whole bunch of hints and tips on pouring paints, little things that you can pick up there. So maybe you want to give her a little visit. And here I go. I'm going to be start in the middle here. I'm going to put a little of that paint down. And the other day I actually put I did a ring pour. And today I am going to just put my paints down. And I'm going to do that one by one. And I'm going to start with some Matisse Prussian blue. And you can find the mixture. I do have this taped down today. And this is an 8 by 10. So you'll find all the paints down below. All the mixtures, all the paints. And now I have a Cobalt blue U. All these colors are absolutely gorgeous. And this is a Matisse Southern Ocean blue. I think this must be my favorite blue of all. Storm blue from Jo Sonia. Used to be my favorite, but I think the Southern Ocean blue is my second or my first favorite now. And this is Pebeo. Studio acrylics, and this is very blue iridescent. I'll put that over here. And I thought I had another blue here. Well, I'm surprised. I think I have a little bit here mixed up. I think I do. This is Phalo Turquoise from Windsor Newton. Whoops, pretty close to that Prussian blue. And can't have all those blues without a green. So I'm going to put a green right over here. And this green happens to be, actually I'm going to put two greens. I'm going to put another little circle of that green here because that was one of my favorite colors in that green. And the last time I used the Boom Gel Gold, and that really came quite beautiful. So I think I'm going to put a little dollop in there and a dollop in there. I might just put a little squeeze here like that. And I do not want this falling over that way. Oh, what I just did was I disconnected my, I hope that doesn't make a difference. Okay. I wonder if I could add a little more of that bloom gel. Maybe just a little drop of that Pearlescent Teal over here. Such a pretty color. All right, I think I have enough on there. Look, it's already selling up over here. How cute is that? Oops, I didn't want to drop any paint on my floor, which I just did. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. These little plastic palette knives came with my came with the pottery wheel. So let's move some of this around, some of these paints around. Look at that color. That's that Matisse Ocean Blue. Oh, what a gorgeous looking color. That really is amazing. A few of these swipes. Whoop. Wow. Look at that. Well, I'm wondering if this is going to turn, but we're going to see right now. Let me move that over. And let's see if this will spin. Without flying. So we got to get some of that paint off. And I'd like to do it on the pottery wheel. This is up to 125 right now. it, ladies and gentlemen. Just put a little drop here. Get rid of that little dot. Get rid of that little dot. Happy. I think I really like this. These colors are amazing. I need a little drop of white right over here though. I need to put a drop of white right in this, right here. So I can see the canvas in that little area. Done. Okay, everyone. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Come back tomorrow. It's a poorer day. I think this was a winner of a day, that's for sure. Really like the way this one came out. I hope you do too. I'll give you the, I'll come in for a close-up. And, yeah. Please join our, May the 4th be with you. There's only a few more openings left. I would like to have 10. Right now we have 6. Possibly a 7th. All the information will be down below of what you need to do. Just leave me a message in the comments below, and I'll get back to you on that. Okay. Thumbs up. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now.